With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question, and the question says a non-conducting ring of mass 4 kg and radius 10 cm has charge 2 coulomb, uniformly distributed over its circumference. The ring is placed on a rough horizontal surface such that the plane of the ring is parallel to the surface. So it is parallel to the surface, right? Vertical magnetic field is given as 40 cube Tesla, is switched on at t equals to 0. At t equals to 5 seconds, ring starts to rotate about the vertical axis through the center. The coefficient of friction between the ring and the surface is found to be k by 24. The value of k is what? As we know that the magnetic field is varying with time, 40 cube Tesla it is, so it is a function of time, right? So now, if the magnetic field is changing with respect to time, so also flux would change. So there would be an EMF generated. So that would be equal to d phi by dt according to Lenz's law, right? That is also negative. So that would be equal to minus dB dot A by dt according to Gauss's law now. So we have used here Gauss's law and Lenz's law, right? So that can be written as minus d by dt of, since b is 40 cube, into pi r square. Since the constant term would come out, so that is 4 pi r square into dt cube by, so it would be 3t square, right? So that can be written as, here it would be negative sign. So 4 3s are 12 pi r square t square it is, right? So what we can write is the force required to move the ring, right? There would be a ring in this magnetic field, right? So now the minimum force, that is the frictional force, would be equal to mu mg, correct? Since this is the frictional force and this is the coefficient of friction, right? Here it is given as coefficient of friction here. Now we can write that at what time? So at t equals to 5 seconds. T equals 5 seconds, we have our EMF to be equal to 12 pi r square. Since the radius of the ring is given as 10 centimeter, which is 1 by 100 here, right? Into t square. So t square would be obviously 25. So this 4s are and this 3. So it would turn out to be 3 pi, right? So the EMF would be 3 pi. Now from here, since force on the ring would be equal to QE, which is equal to Q EMF E by 2 pi R. So that would be equal to 3 pi by 2 pi into 1 by 10. So pi would get cancelled. So from here we would get that this to be equal to 10, 5 3s are. So that is 15 newtons, right? Which would be equal to mu mg. So mu mg would be equal to 15. So from here mu would equal to 15 divided by m. The mass of the ring is given as 4 kg and g 4 into 10. So now this can be simplified. This is 3za, this is 2za. So it would be 3 by 8. Right? Since in the question mu is given to us as k by 24, which is equal to 3 by 8. Right? So k can be written as 3 into 24 by 8. So it would be, so here we would have q also. So it would be 2 into this. So this value would be 30, right? And this would be, here we can correct it. So this would be 30. This would also be 30. So this 3za and this 1za. So this would be 3 by 4 here. This would also be 3 by 4. And here we would have 4 which is 6, so that turns out to be 18. So we have the value k to be 18. So that is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.